part 2. So yeah, that's what it was. Those phosphates, talking about the last video, those phosphates are a part of the DNA codon. Last night, showing my friend here, the sponge, SP, and then ONC, oxygen, nitrogen, carbon, hydrogen, ONC, life, basic building blocks of life, DNA, etc., etc. But it's sulfur, phosphorus, oxygen, nitrogen, carbon, and hydrogen. Surrounding the DNA codons was a sugar phosphate thing. I forgot what it's called. So around DNA in general, whether it be plants, humans, whatever, is that light. The light actually surrounds DNA. That would mean, yeah, the inside would be dark. Well, condensed, of course, because it's still light. It's just an inside. Well, yeah, that's what it is. Phosphates and DNA. So that's what we're looking at. You know, carbonation say, it's structured water. That's true. It is structured water. But the fact that it's illuminated. For example, I'm assuming that when it comes to flowers and they're very vibrant, they're probably high in phosphorus.
Yeah.
Because they just look incredibly bright.
Yeah, that's true.
You know. But yeah.